We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the HOERMIGON heating pad for neck and shoulders and back. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The HOERMIGON weighted heating pad is designed to provide comprehensive relief for the neck, shoulders, and back, and it stands out for its extra-large coverage area of 22 by 37 inches. This generous size ensures that the pad can soothe not only the upper back and neck, but also extend warmth and relief to the lower back, abdomen, legs, knees, arms, and waist. The wearable design, combined with a 7-foot cord, allows users to relax comfortably in a variety of settings, whether on a bed, couch, or office chair, without feeling restricted by the power source. The pad is filled with high-quality microglass beads, giving it a weighted feel of approximately 2.8 pounds. This weight helps the pad stay securely in place, enhancing the effectiveness of the heat therapy by maintaining close contact with the body. The double snap button and 2 waist straps allow for a customizable, snug fit, which is particularly appreciated by users who move around or shift positions during use. The plush, skin-friendly fabric adds to the comfort, making the experience cozy and inviting, which is especially important for those using the pad for extended periods. The heating pad offers 6 heat settings, ranging from 40 degrees Celsius, or 104 degrees Fahrenheit, up to 60 degrees Celsius, or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range accommodates a variety of preferences and therapeutic needs, from gentle warmth to more intense heat. Most users report that the optimal setting is between 4 and 5, which provides deep muscle relaxation without causing discomfort or risk of burns. The controller is equipped with raised keys and a clear LCD display, making it easy to operate even for those with limited dexterity or vision. 4 timer settings, 30, 60, 90, and 120 minutes, allow users to set the pad to automatically shut off, providing peace of mind and energy savings. The maximum 2-hour countdown auto shut-off is a valuable safety feature, especially for those who may doze off during the use. One of the recurring themes in user feedback is the value for money that this pad provides. Compared to other products in the $20 to $40 range, the HOERMIGON pad offers a much larger surface area, often 50% more than lower-priced competitors. For a modest increase in price, users receive a product that covers more of the body and delivers a better price-to-coverage ratio. Many reviewers note that it is difficult to find a comparable product in this price range that matches the quality and features of the HOERMIGON pad. Comfort is another area where this heating pad excels. The soft plush material is consistently described as cozy and relaxing, enhancing the stress relief and muscle relaxation benefits of heat therapy. The weighted design is particularly appreciated by those who have struggled with pads that slip or move out of place during use. The snug fit, achieved through the snap button and waist straps, ensures that the heat is distributed evenly and remains in contact with the targeted areas. Users with chronic pain, such as back or neck injuries, find that the pad provides significant relief, with some describing the sensation as a warm, comforting hug. The pad's flexibility and size make it suitable for people of various body types, including plus-size individuals and taller users. Several reviewers mention that the pad reaches from the shoulders all the way down to the waist, providing full coverage for those who need it most. The ability to wrap the pad around the shoulders and secure it at the waist is a standout feature, as it allows the user to move around or change positions without losing the therapeutic benefits. The heating pad is also praised for its ease of use. The controller is intuitive, with clearly labeled buttons and a display that is easy to read. The detachable power cord is a thoughtful touch, allowing the pad to be machine washed or hand washed for easy maintenance. This is particularly important for users who rely on the pad daily and want to keep it clean and fresh. The cleaning process is straightforward. Simply unplug the connector and wash the pad as needed, following the manufacturer's instructions to avoid damaging the electrical components. In terms of performance, the pad heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature throughout the session. Users appreciate the range of heat settings, which allow them to tailor the experience to their specific needs. Whether used for chronic pain, muscle soreness, menstrual cramps, or simply to stay warm in a cool environment, the pad delivers reliable and effective heat therapy. The automatic shutoff feature is especially valued by those who use the pad before bed or while relaxing, as it prevents overheating and conserves energy. Despite its many strengths, the HOERMIGON heating pad is not without minor drawbacks. Some users note that the neck area can feel a bit stiff at first due to the weighted beads, but this typically becomes more comfortable with use as the material softens. Others mention that the neck fasteners could benefit from an additional setting to accommodate larger necks more comfortably. However, these issues are generally considered minor and do not detract from the overall positive experience. The pad must be plugged into a wall outlet, which may be a limitation for those who prefer cordless or battery-powered options. However, most users find the 7-foot cord to be sufficiently long for use in most settings, and many express a preference for the consistent heat output of a corded device over the less reliable performance of battery-powered alternatives. Safety is a key consideration with any electric heating pad, and the HOERMIGON model incorporates several important features to protect users. The auto shutoff function reduces the risk of overheating, and the instructions advise users not to lay directly on the pad, sleep with it on, or apply it directly to bare skin. Instead, it is recommended to use a layer of clothing or a towel between the pad and the skin, both for comfort and safety. Proper maintenance is also emphasized with clear guidance to avoid bunching, crushing, or sharply folding the pad, as this could damage the internal wiring. Users are encouraged to read the instructions carefully and follow all safety precautions to ensure a long and trouble-free experience. The pad is frequently purchased as a gift, especially for mothers, fathers, or anyone who suffers from chronic pain or is sensitive to cold. Many reviewers share stories of giving the pad to loved ones who are always cold or experience back soreness, and the recipients often express great appreciation for the comfort and relief it provides. The pad is suitable for a wide range of users, from those seeking relief from moderate back pain or menstrual cramps to individuals recovering from injury or simply looking for a way to stay warm during colder months. The HOERMIGON heating pad is also recognized for its thoughtful design touches. The color options, such as blue, are noted to blend well with home decor, and the overall build quality is described as excellent. The pad is soft, flexible, and durable, standing up to regular use without losing its effectiveness. The inclusion of a detachable power cord for easy washing is a practical feature that sets it apart from many competitors. In summary, the HOERMIGON weighted heating pad for neck, shoulders, and back is a standout product in its category. It offers exceptional value for money with a large coverage area, multiple heat and timer settings, a comfortable weighted design, and easy maintenance. Users consistently praise its effectiveness in providing relief from pain and discomfort, as well as its cozy feel and user-friendly features. While there are minor areas for improvement, such as the fit around the neck for larger users and the initial stiffness of the weighted section, these do not significantly detract from the overall positive impression. The pad's safety features, ease of use, and thoughtful design make it a popular choice for personal use or as a gift. If you are looking for a heating pad that delivers reliable, customizable heat therapy for the neck, shoulders, and back, the HOERMIGON model is highly recommended. Remember, if you have experience with this heating pad, please leave a review in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Your feedback can make a difference for others considering this purchase.